Alrighty, we're going to be doing a test cut. Still 051 AV, 89 cc's, 21-inch Windsor speed tip sprocket nose bar, pulling 404 063, still rapid micro semi chisel. We'll be cutting this red oak here. So I'm going to hand my phone off to Kevin and he's going to film me making a cut.
Right on.
I'd say performs really well. Alrighty, now we're going to move on to a 270C and a 290. Alrighty, next saw we're going to run is this MS270C. Looks like it's got probably a 16 or 18 inch bar on it. Looks like an Oregon bar. Not sure what size chain we're running on it, but we're going to make a cut with it now. I just serviced this actually for Kevin. Got it running for him. So, again, hand my phone off to Kevin and he's going to film me making a cut. Well, she's running well, but the chain needs to be sharpened.
Yep.
So, not much we can do much for this. Alrighty, we put a new chain on the 270. We're gonna give her another go.
Big difference.
Watch it. Alrighty, we got two more saws to run here. A 290 and then a McCulloch 210. We're running the 290 first. Again, 16 or 18 inch bar on it, probably pulling 325 chain. The 210 has got a 16 inch bar on it, pulling regular 3/8. So, I'm gonna hand my phone off to Kevin and we'll make a cut.
Shabby.
Got a real nice.
All right. Ooh, rolling.
Okay, we got this little Mac 210 here. Whoa. Let's stop filming. Got a little Mac 210 here. I'm making a cut with. Chain seems pretty good on it. So fire it up and make a cut.